Right, morning. This is going to be a blink and you miss it, so if you're not on here, hopefully you can catch it up later. I'm just going to do a quick demo of my UV primer using the Tesla UV gun to show you how quick it is, and that's why if you blink you're going to miss it. So I'm going to switch the camera around and show you what we're going to use. That should work. So it's the Tesla UV Cure set. It comes with a lamp, some goggles, obviously a chargeable cable to charge it because the handle is rechargeable. This is what I'm using. It's Glasurit UV Cure primer, super quick. I painted my pot black, so it just sits there. It's a 1K, so there's no mixing. I leave it in the gun all the time and just put it in the cupboard and pull it out when I need to use it. So I'm going to literally show you how quick it is now to use. So this is what we're going to do. It's a bumper I've just welded, so you'll see it later on in a video. And this is off we go. So I'm going to put my mask on just because I believe in a bit of health and safety. A lot of people don't wear masks, but I'm going to do it. So it only needs a quick flash off, probably about 15-20 seconds max. That's your first coat, and then you can put on a wetter coat. Give it another 30 seconds. And then a minute. In fairness, I probably should have sanded that a little bit more, but at least you'll get to see the build of this primer. It's equivalent to a 2K. I've been told it's slightly thicker than a 2K. But it's just the speed that it all goes off that's brilliant. So we've got 28 seconds left, 27, counting down. I see that. Probably gave it longer than 30 seconds would have probably done this fine, but I'm still getting used to it, so we'll just give it the full minute like it says. Done, 1 minute. Switch that off. A little bit of guide coat. So this primer is quite translucent, and the reason for that is because obviously the UV rays have to get through it. So you can see where I didn't actually sand it, it's quite rough there. But this will be a good demonstration of how well it works. So I'm just going to sand it with the 600. I use the cyclonic range. So I'll go down with this. So I'll normally sand it with that, then I'll go to a finer grade, finish off with an 800 wet and dry. You don't need to, but that's just the way I like to do it. You can see how good the build is. So all those rough edges that were there, just so beautiful, this stuff, so quick. If you were a smart repairer out there on the road, even just working in a workshop, this is the way to do it now. You know, none of this waiting 15-20 minutes for primer to cure. What was that, 2 minutes maximum from application? So there we go. A little bit of wet and dry. 800. So it looks like you can still see through, but that's because the primer is translucent, so don't worry about that. Even if you do break through, it literally takes 30 seconds to put on another coat. so it's no sweat at all. That's it. Bumper primed, ready for painting or prepping for the next stage. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and it's giving you a bit of more enlightenment onto UV priming and why I love it so much. If you have any questions, just DM them over to me. Cheers guys, have a good one.